How to log in to Amazon Kindle account. Hello and welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Amazon Kindle account. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Without any further ado, let's get started. To log into your Amazon Kindle account, first of all, go ahead and open your Kindle application from your mobile device, and then the first interface of Amazon Kindle will look like this. Now, to log into your account, you'll need to enter your Amazon account's credential. In the text box, simply go ahead and type in your Amazon account's email or phone number. Head over to the next field and type in your password. You can double check the password by tapping on Show Password button. Once you type in credentials, you can type on the Sign In button. But in case you have forgotten your password, just tap on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompt in order to look for your password. After entering your credentials, tap on Sign In and wait for a few seconds. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your Amazon Kindle account, and then you land in the home page. That's it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned till our next upload.